Wow, there's a blue lagoon in
Oh
here.
my god.
Look at there. Oh, blue lagoon. It's beautiful. Spaghetti, bababa. Ang sarap. Lipat tayo dyan, nakit tayo dyan. Doon, punta tayo doon. So, tara na. Pakihan mo daw yung sarap. Ang sarap ng tubig. Gawa tayo ng stick. Hi guys, for today's vlog, we're going up to the Rainbow Falls. And we are here already at the entrance. And we're gonna make a stick to avoid snake. Yan. Isa pa. Sa akin. Naulan pa guys. Maambon. Yan. Let's go up there. Let's see what's inside there. Is it true that there's a rainbow up there? We can see. Keep moving forward guys until we reach the top. Tabi-tabi po. Tagalog la rin kay Kenan na. Cheko siya. Cheko. Oh my gosh. It's a little bit creepy, guys. And look at the view. It's beautiful. It's really nature. You can feel the ambience here. So beautiful. Relaxing but a little bit creepy. And it's raining. Slippery. The road is slippery. Are we going or what?
Why?
Look at the
Why? You feel
No,
afraid?
I'm not feel bad. I feel good. It's okay. Our Lord guide us. Okay? Keep moving forward. O na, no, tara na. Di ba mo chinelas Kenny? Are we going or what? We're in the middle of the woods. Okay guys, let's go. We can do this. There's no harmful in here. Just trust. Kakalala. Wow! Something ka rin, no? There's a beautiful spot over there, but so deep. Okay, let's go. Tara. Are we there yet? Not really. Wow, look at the Spider-Man. Oh my gosh. It's big. Look. Tayo man. Wow. It's so scary. Uh-oh, guys. We're sorry. We're not going up there because it's a little bit strange. Maraming nakaharang. Okay, guys. Maligo na lang tayo doon sa lagoon. Tara. Not gonna make it, guys. Because there's a lot of struggles out there.
Lagi po.
Uh,
Makapagbanan din yan?
Well, we're going to swim in the Blue Lagoon. We're going down. Ayan, we're going down here. Blue Lagoon. Over there. Okay. We're here now at may kasama tayong mga foreigner. Ayan. Ayan. Ay, may pantalon pa pala dito, oh. Dami ako ng pantalon. Ha? Guys, tingnan nyo Blue Lagoon, oh.
Ito pa ka rin. May tuki kang kaya kan? Ay. Ay.
Ra. Hello guys. Magna-nest tayo guys. Hi. Nesting. Okay, 1, 2.
Nasty refreshment.
Fresh.
Wow, wow, wow.
Yeah. Kinain mo ko yung kalalam na. Na. Woo! 1, 2, 3. Naliligo. Oh, nakikiligo din sa amin yung isang uwak.